Welcome third grade families and students. This is Mr. C checking in. Wanted to create a short video that kind of explains what you'll see in Google Classroom this first full week of our distance learning. So students right now, I am in one of our classroom students' accounts that I've asked them to borrow for this video and they've let me, so thank you for that. Here you see the home screen for Google Classroom. You'll see the classes your student is currently enrolled in. For example, you'll see morning meeting, science, Christensen media, and Christensen math. The media one's from Darvo and science is from me, as is the morning meeting and math. Students have a couple different options. They can click the hamburger and go to their calendar. And as you can see, there's nothing for this week, but when you go next week, I've dropped the entire week so students can do one activity a day. They'll see the light blue color here. That is their morning meeting. The dark blue is their math. It kind of matches with the colors of those pictures on the previous screen. So they can see their assignments throughout the week. The dark blue are the math assignments. Those are a way for us to continue our distance learning with our Bridges curriculum. This assignment here is a morning meeting greeting check-in. It is our Zoom video chat feature. So that isn't really an assignment, but to get it in the calendar, I have to post it as that. So it's not something that's graded. It's just something I have to make as an assignment for kids to find it easily on their calendar. You can also see a question in this lighter blue color, and that's part of the morning meeting. Every day in the morning meeting, we've asked a question to students to conversate with their peers. Again, this question is optional, but it's a way for students to connect and talk with one another. So if they want to access an assignment, let's say it's Monday and they want to access the question, all they have to do is click on it, read the question, and then go to right here and type their answer and click turn in. They can also see their classmates' answers once they've done that. So there's that feature. If they go back to their classes page and they go to the specific classroom, let's say they go to morning meeting and they go to classwork, that's where they're going to find all the things they need for morning meeting. Here is that check-in that I mentioned earlier. So they can find it here as well by clicking on it and opening it up. They can find the questions for the entire week, similar to what they saw on their calendar. They do have due dates on them, so they know which day they're supposed to do. And they'll see some morning motivators that they can also do as well. And these are just websites that they can go to if they have extra time on their own. Maybe they're wanting to do some Go Noodle activity, so they want to get up and move. Maybe they want to watch a Class Dojo video on the mindfulness series, so they could access one of those a day. Or if they want to take a virtual field trip, there are a couple different sites that they can go to. And these materials are optional, but it's something for those students to do if they're looking for more online learning or online activities that would have matched our morning meeting. And when you go back to your hamburger and you go classes, you can see your math class will have a couple different things within the classroom as well. You'll always have your daily math lessons. I'll drop the entire week on Monday, make it easy for parents and families to find and students. So they'll be here for you. There's only 4 this week. We're not going to have a math homework assignment or math lesson assignment on Monday. That's where we're just kind of getting started. And they can see some online materials. These are all the Bridges online tools that'll help students if they're using geoboards or using fractions, and some at-home things that they can use on their computer to help them with some learning. And these are optional extended sites that they can use. So these are optional sites after they've done their homework or their math lesson for the day. If they want to continue to do some extra math, these are all optional sites they could go to. And so that's kind of a look at your Google Classroom. If you do have questions, best thing to do is email me or Class Dojo me. Thanks for watching the video.